Hey everybody, so I'm back with this video, this spooky video. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this version of La Llorona. So basically, to start off with the base, I just took any cream white makeup. I got this one at Party City, and I believe it was only like maybe $3-4. And I also took a Wet n Wild foundation just to kind of mix it in to give her kind of like a dead skin look, but I used more white. And then I went ahead and used my Life's a Drag palette by Lunar Beauty, and I took the shade Shady in the palette, the black one, and I'm just giving myself a really black smoky eye. I'm gonna smoke it out all under. And to more further the spooky look of La Llorona, I wanted to make her some under eye bags and just really like smoke it out to the point where my whole eye was just black. For the lips, I went ahead and took some Halloween crayon makeup. I just got this one in a little kit, and I put it on the outer rim of my mouth first, and I really didn't do this any precise way. I really just wanted it to be super messy, so I kind of just slapped it on there. And then now I'm taking that same shade and a fluffy brush and blending it out with that black shade. So next, to further the look, I wanted to go ahead and make some facial expressions, some facial lines. So I went ahead and drew the ones on my forehead, but I ended up not liking how it looked. So I just blended it out and kept blending until I liked how it looked. So I'm adding this contour to my eyebrows, to my nose, around my nose, and then soon I'll add it to my smile lines as well. And if you guys notice that I have a lisp, it's kind of noticeable. I have my retainer in, so just letting y'all know before anybody says anything. I know my friends are going to be like, Cameron, girl, why are you talking like that? Anyways, but now I'm just blending everything out, making everything kind of messy. There's really no precise way to do this makeup look. It's literally like the more messier it looks, the better. Now, the key to this part, I'll tell you guys right now, you have to make the funny faces. So during the rest of this whole video, I'm going to make these funny faces because I need to see exactly where to lay down that shadow, where the light's going to hit it, where I can do the facial expressions the best. So I would recommend doing those crazy faces in the mirror and, just really seeing where to lay down your shadow. So then after I lay it down, I just kind of blend it out. I didn't really put this in there, but I went over it with some white again just to blend it over really well. Now I'm doing my eyebrows, and I just took the same black. This whole tutorial, I'm just using black eyeshadow. So I didn't want my eyebrows to look really thick like how I usually do them. I did them actually a lot thinner because in the movie she has really thin eyebrows and her eyebrows are kind of rounded out and mine are kind of squarish, but I didn't really mind that, so I went ahead and just filled those in real quick. And now it's time to make her look really evil, so we're going to add some veins in there. This part was probably the hardest part. I don't really know why. Maybe I just had a heavy hand. But you really want to make sure the veins look kind of thin. Mine kept coming out a little bit too thick. I don't know if it was the brush I was using, probably. But if your lines come out too thick, I found that just putting on some more white face paint was better, and it just blended in way more seamlessly. So yeah, I just did the veins right there on my forehead. I didn't really do it anywhere else on my face. I don't know why. I think I forgot to. And so now I'm taking the same black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and contour La Llorona for the gods, okay? So we're just gonna add that contour right there on the cheek. I didn't contour anywhere else. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and make that funny face again and connect that cheekbone into the smile lines a little bit, because I found that when I smiled like weird like that, it looked really sinister, so I just wanted to smoke it all out and make it look really crazy. Okay, so now at this point, I'm just adding in the last final details. I noticed that in one of the pictures I was looking at, her mouth looked a little bit more grungy, so I went ahead and took the black shadow and just made it look all more messy on my lips. Now I'm taking this eyeliner. It's a cheap one I found at Party City, one of the Halloween makeup, and I went ahead and I mixed it with some water because I wanted to dilute it a little bit more. So I took this on a flat brush and I just started drawing it in. And this eyeliner actually had a shiny finish to it, so it actually looked wet, which is great. So I recommend that if you guys want to do this look for next year's Halloween or something. But for the tears, I looked at a reference picture, you know, a picture from the movie or something. And yeah, I just wanted to nail that. I actually added this part by myself. I wanted to take it down the neck as well because, you know, when you cry, sometimes your tears will go all the way down your neck. I haven't seen anybody put it all the way down their neck, so I just wanted to give it a try. So now at this point, I was adding some more little details. I was kind of feeling like I was missing something, so I just kept adding stuff onto my face. But now looking back at the footage, like, it actually looked really good. Like, I'm really happy with it. But in the next clip, you can see I was kind of doubting myself. But in the end, I really like the results. Do I look like her, Nathan?
Yeah, I kind of want to punch you.
I feel like I'm missing something. Like,
put on the outfit.
I feel like it doesn't look like her, though.
Cameron, all she has is freaking blood down her eyes. That's black. That's
you know what I think I'm missing? I think I'm missing the contacts. Because with my brown eyes, I feel like...
Yeah, well, no one's going to see your eyes. You're going to have the thing on.
Oh, should I tell you to paint my teeth black? Should I just do it?
You look ugly.
Should I just do it?
Beat you. No. Don't do that. That's not meant for your teeth. And you have your retainer.
It's just eyeshadow.
You have your retainer in.
It's just eyeshadow.
Well, I'll keep guard on the house when you guys come.
Nathan, that took it 10 times better. Alright. So this is the face done. So this is the finished face for La Llorona. This one was actually really fun to create. I actually had a lot of fun doing a spooky look because I have never ever been something scary for Halloween. And I'll admit I had so much fun doing the funny facial expressions. Really like bringing La Llorona to life on my own face was super cool. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the pictures of the final look. So here it is with me in the full costume. I tried to look super scary in that picture. I also did my hands as well, just the same paint, same black stuff. I painted my nails with the black eyeliner. But yeah, here's the last clips of me in the costume. And thank you guys for watching.